So in this video, I need to plot these coordinates onto this coordinate grid. So the first one is A, and that's located at 2, -3. So I need the point to be at the intersection of x equaling 2, which is this vertical line here, and y equaling -3, which is this horizontal line here. You can also, of course, see it as going 2 along the corridor and 3 down the stairs from the origin. So from the origin, 2 along the corridor and then 3 down the stairs. And so it's this point here that I'm interested in. That is point A. Right, the next one is 0, 2. So this is at the intersection of x equaling 0, which is actually the y-axis, and y equaling 2, which is that horizontal axis. So where they intersect is actually at that point there. You can also see this as going 0 along the corridor, so not moving horizontally, and then 2 up the stairs. And so that is the point I am interested in. This is B. Now what about C? -3, 0. So that's at the intersection of x being equal to -3, which is that vertical line, and y being equal to 0, which is actually that horizontal line. So x equaling -3 and y equaling 0 will give me that point there. We can also see that by thinking, well, that's 3 back along the corridor. So 3 back along the corridor, and then 0 in the vertical direction. So I'm not moving up or down, I'm just staying exactly where I am. So that point there is C. Right, the last one is D, -2, -2. So that is the intersection where x is equal to -2. So that's x equaling -2. And y equaling -2, which is that horizontal line. So where they intersect is at that point there. And we can also see that by thinking, well, it's 2 back along the corridor. Whoops, didn't mean to rub that out. 2 back along the corridor, and then 2 down the stairs. And that gets me to this point here in the third quadrant. And so this is D. And so that is where those 4 points live.